Hi guys, I'm Duo and I'll be taking you through a tutorial video on how to use Pinterest and its various features. So let's say, these are the various posts and images and even GIFs and videos of the stuff that you like, and these are all recommendations based on what sort of stuffs and what sort of images that you've watched, that you've screen through, and that you've saved in the past. Right, so this is not just a random selection, but according to algorithm, it filters in products, images and services that you've liked in the past. So let's say I want to save this post because I really like this post and I find it to be very interesting. So let's say I share it through WhatsApp. Okay, so I can share it to my friend. Let's say I want to share it with my friend here, so I'll share it with her. So look at this, how they're showing it very immaculately, and you can also save them in your board section. So let's say I want to save it under fashion. So I saved it under fashion. So those are the various boards under which you can save many of the images and posts under various categories, because it makes it easier for you to categorize them and get back to them later on, because there are many things that you like, right? And let's say I want to download the image, so I download this image and I've kept it in my gallery. It is directly set in my gallery. So if I want to report this pin because I feel that it goes against the community guidelines of Pinterest and it's very inappropriate, so I can report this pin like this, right? So these are the various categories under which we can report pins. And I can also copy the link and send it to them, send it to anyone, send it to any friend, because I feel that they'll enjoy it through Instagram, Twitter. This is it. And so if you want to see more posts of similar fashion, or even of the same actress or same model, etc., then you can go down and you can find very similar posts like this. And these are the various recommendations like Lia Sado, French women, French girl style, which can help you get what you want, customize your preferences. So let's say I want to watch the posts and images of people I follow. So let's say I go here and I find all these posts which are things that I like, and which are the posts of people I followed. Let's say I want to go to the horror section. So this is the horror section. So if I want to see more of this stuff, if I want to save them, I can save them directly without going through any of the processes that are quite annoying at sometimes. So I save them like this. So it gets saved like that. So similar goes for the way. So you can customize your preferences according to your mood, according to what you like at that moment, right? So let's say I want to search for something that you really want to like. Okay, so you go here and you can search for things that you want to see. So you can search according to top option, yours option, people option, according to the people that you want to follow, etc. So let's say I want to follow Fuji Arts. These are all recommendations based on what you like and what you've saved in the past, alright? This is algorithm thing. So you follow them. These are the boards, the pins, activity, etc. So this helps you get a concise idea of what you like, and also customize your preferences according to what you want, according to when you need it, alright? Follow them, you can send them, you can block them, you can even send it to them, to your friends through WhatsApp, Gmail, etc. So this is my account, which has a definite list of various boards that I've saved in the past, of all the posts that have been categorized into different boards like horror, fashion, passion, art, etc. So I can even search my pins here for directly like this, and it makes it easier for me. And I can search for it through pins, like, so this is the boards which have been categorized but pins is just a definite, is just a very long list of all the posts that you saved earlier. Okay, so it goes back to the time when you started saving and you started using Pinterest as well. These are the tries option, one idea tried, etc. And this is the updates option, where you can get a lot various notifications according based on who followed you, or what boards that you like. That these are all the recommendations that Pinterest gives you, or who followed you and whom you can follow, etc. This is the inbox section, where you can message people based on who you've interacted with previously in the past, and you can message them, you can share ideas, etc. So this helps to create a solid friend group in the within the future. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubts, get back to me. And Pinterest is a great app. I can't wait for you to start trying it out.